Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rebel Rider. This is the second of two videos. In the first video we visited the beautiful Swallow Falls, as you can see here in the video, and then this current video is us riding home again, coming across a couple of very unexpected situations. So yeah, come along and join us for our ride home.
Right, off we go. So yeah, I love our little, put my visor down, I'm on the whistle. I love our little fun rides out on our little bikes. In the summer, in the spring and summer, I ride with other people more because they want to ride, but in the winter I still carry on and ride myself because I've only been riding 5 years and I've got this big thing about I don't want to de-skill over the winter. Plus I do need to get out, I need the fresh air. We do lots of walking in the winter, but there's nothing compares to riding a bike. So yeah, I do still like to get out and feel that freedom of the motorbike. Big Harley there. It is funny when we're riding anything from flipping old two-stroke scooters to a big massive road king, and people treat you differently depending on what bike you're on. It is very interesting, and you're the same person no matter what you're riding, but it's an interesting phenomenon, if that's the right word. It's an interesting situation. I mean, I nod and say hello to everybody. I can't make my mind up if I like the colour of this bike. I'm thinking of getting, I don't know, to take the tank off and spray it black would be a bit dramatic, but it's the only way I can think of doing it. Maybe that's a winter job. Nice old car. Bloody hell, a Rolls Royce giving us a wave like the Queen. Maybe it was, I was going to say maybe it was the Queen, but it's very unlikely seeing as though she's now no longer with us. I'm so happy with this Hunter. It's got a little USB port underneath this right handlebar here, so it's perfect for putting my phone on and charging. Right, we're back down in Landris now. Well, along. Well, there's a nice bridge. We're just looking for somewhere to stop off for a brew. Now we just need to try and see if we can stop somewhere, another fancy hotel.
So we pulled over and stopped off in this lovely little square for a coffee, a hot chocolate and a scone. And then we went and had a look round the back of the square, and there was a lovely church, and then the river was down there as well. It was really pretty.
More tractors. Well, I'm not sure how this can be called a road. We have been this way once before, so Paul knows the way from here now, so I'm leaving him to navigate the teeny tiny roads. I've just got to stay back because if he meets something suddenly, it could be a quick stop. These lanes are great till you meet something coming the other way. There's a big skid mark there where someone's had to stop suddenly. That was lucky to meet that there. These roads probably are really for the tractors and the farms. That was very, but the thing is, if there's one tractor there might be another, because they do often work together, don't they? Yeah, I'd just like to thank everybody that's subscribed, and thanks to all of you that join in and watch the videos and join our rides with us. As I've said before, I don't do YouTube for fame or fortune. I do it for fun and just to keep a record of some of the rides that I've really enjoyed doing. Shit. Fuck! Oh, I've never been chased by a dog before. Naughty little thing. I think instead of stopping I should have just whizzed straight past him. I broke instead. That was a bit silly. Naughty little thing. Yeah, anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I do YouTube for fun and just keep a record of all the nice rides that I do and that I do with my friends and Paul. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. And yeah, if you do like these videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. I mean, I don't get many comments on my videos, but I am friendly. I'll always reply and have a chat with you. So yeah, anyway, I shall see you on the next one, everyone. Thanks, bye.